Hi, my name is John Walsh with Logic Group, and I have a drawing of a wrench that I need to get into Autocad. If I tried to create that drawing on Autocad, even though it's a simple drawing, it would take quite a bit of time with all the circles and lines and arcs and stuff. But with the Logic Tray system, it's very simple. I just simply put the drawing onto the board. I have a sheet here, I'll cover it with plastic sheet. And then I come into the software and I click Tray Start. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start right here in the middle and do 2 points for the line. And then I'm going to switch to an arc. So I come in the software, change it to an arc. And then I do the midpoint of the arc, the end point of the arc. Then I have a big circle here that's mainly an arc. Midpoint, end point. Got one more arc, midpoint, end point. I now have a line. Looking real good here. I can switch to a line. And I do the end point of that line. And then I've got some more arcs. I've got an arc here. Got the arc all the way around. Midpoint, end point. I've got one more arc. Midpoint, end point. And I'm all done. I'm going to click stop and it's going to connect to the first last point. Now those little things in the middle, they're all lines. Click line start. Click tray start. And just do the points for those lines. I click stop and it connects it. I'm going to do the other side. Tray start. Just do those points. It's looking good. Click tray stop. And let's go ahead. I've got a little arc here. Let's go ahead and add that. Now that's an open shape. So I got to tell the software I've got an open shape. We're going to do an arc. And click tray start. And I just do those 3 points. I missed it a little bit. I was being real quick. And click stop. Let's do the one on the other side. Click tray start. And there, that looks good. I'm going to click stop. And then I just come in here to file. I'm going to save it as a DXF file. I give it a name and then save it as a DXF file. Very easy, very fast. My name is John Walsh. If you have any questions, please contact me. Thank you.